Okay. This is an obstacle for the poor turtles. This tree. Now this guy is going to go around. We're calling her Priscilla. You're doing good. You can do it. Now this guy needs to...
Videotape me yet.
I am.
Oh, wait till the turtle's going over, ready?
Yeah. Oh my God. Here he goes. Poor guy. Oh my God.
Sorry about that.
Oh my God. He's so stuck. He's so stuck. He can't. He can't. Come on. Get your head out of the dirt. Get your head out of the dirt. He's so stuck. He's so stuck. Priscilla, way to be. Nice job, Aldo. He's on his way.
Get that?
Yeah.